So how do you stop your iPhone from going dark? Let's talk about it and let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so that way you're not gonna miss anything important. So your iPhone might be going dark when it's about to be locked automatically, and that's like the first option. You can change it in the settings, display and brightness, and there is the auto lock feature, which stands for automatic locking. So here you get to decide the amount of minutes or time after which, the period of inactivity after which the phone is supposed to lock itself. I keep it personally at 5 minutes. I find it to be the best time frame for this. Right? So that's like one way of looking at this. The other type of iPhone going dark might be using the dark mode, right? So in the notification center, the actual control center there, you can find the brightness controller, and when you hold down on it, the buttons are going to appear below, and one of them is the dark mode, so you can tap on it and enable it, disable it. You can see in real time how the colors and the backgrounds flip. So if you mean that your phone is going dark and you don't want that to be happening, you can turn it off like this or stop it from enabling automatically. So again, in the display and brightness of your settings, you can see the appearance, light or dark at the top, and just make sure that the automatic feature is not enabled, because then it will just keep on turning it on and off, right? And if you don't like it, make sure it's not automatic and exactly how you set up. So that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up on this video to let me know if it works for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and in case of any questions, leave them below, subscribe, and I'll see you later.